Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how can we create a checklist in Microsoft Word, as we often need to create a checklist or we do have to prepare a questionnaire. So in order to prepare a questionnaire we need a checklist. So how can we prepare it in Word? So I have opened the Word document and it's a blank document. So suppose if we are preparing a questionnaire, suppose question 1 is uh, how do you like this tutorial? Suppose this is the question number 1 and the options are uh, not helpful. The next option is somewhat helpful, and third option could be very helpful. So you might have seen in the questionnaires that there is always a check button in front of them. So today we will learn how to create that check button in front of these three options. So first of all, in order to get the checkbox, we need a tab here called developer tab, and it is not showing right now. So first we have to get that tab, and in order to do that we have to go to file tab, then we have to go to options, then there is an option called customize ribbon. So go to that option, and here you can see the tabs that you can see in your Word format. So you can see there is a developer option which is not checked yet. So we will check this developer option and click on OK. So as soon as I clicked OK, we got a new tab which is called developer. So under the developer tab in controls section, you can see this checkbox content control. So as soon as you click on it, you will get this square box in front of the first option. So you might have noticed when you are working on a questionnaire, so if you want to click on this checkbox, it should have a tick mark. But right now it will be showing a cross mark, because by default as a checked option cross mark is selected. So we have to change it. And to change that, first we have to select this square box. Then we will go again to the control section under developer tab, and now we will go to the properties. So here you can see checked symbol and unchecked symbol. So unchecked symbol should always be a blank and checked symbol should be a tick. And for that we will go to the change button, we'll click on it, and I have this tick mark in this recently used symbols. So you can select it and click on OK. So if you are not getting this tick mark under recently used symbols, so you can always go to the font Wingdings, and when you scroll down you will be able to see this tick mark and select it and press OK. So here you can see instead of the cross, tick mark is selected now, and now you can press OK. So now when you click on this box, instead of the cross mark, a tick will come. See? So now we have to apply this checkbox to the other two options as well. We have to copy this box. First let's uncheck this, and now we will copy this and go to the front of that option and simply paste it. So now you can check the box whichever you want to. You will be able to create a simple questionnaire in Microsoft Word. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.